The watch pot never boils is a proverbial expression that highlights the perception that time seems to pass more slowly when one is eagerly anticipating or closely monitoring an event or outcome. The phrase suggests that focusing too intently on something can make it feel like it takes longer to happen. The origin of the saying can be traced back to traditional cooking practices, where pots of water or liquid were placed on a stove to be heated. When someone eagerly waits for the water to reach its boiling point, staring at it intently, the process can feel prolonged, and the boiling seems to take more time than it actually does. Metaphorically, a watch pot never boils implies that the more one fixates on a particular event or outcome, the longer it appears to take to happen. The phrase serves as a reminder that constant monitoring or impatience can create a sense of delay or elongation in the perception of time. The expression is often used to caution against excessive impatience or the obsession with immediate results. It suggests that focusing too much on the passage of time or anticipating a specific outcome can make the wait seem longer and more arduous. Furthermore, the saying can also be interpreted as an encouragement to let things unfold naturally without constant vigilance. It conveys the idea that some processes or events have their own pace and cannot be rushed or forced. By practicing patience and allowing time to take its course, the desired outcome is more likely to occur. However, it's important to note that the phrase is not meant to discourage productivity or the pursuit of goals. Rather, it serves as a reminder to balance patience with action and to avoid becoming consumed by waiting or obsessively monitoring progress. In summary, a watch pot never boils is a proverbial expression that conveys the perception that time seems to pass more slowly when one is eagerly waiting for a specific event or outcome. It warns against excessive impatience and the obsession with immediate results, highlighting the importance of patience and allowing processes to unfold naturally. While the expression cautions against fixating on time or outcomes, it does not negate the importance of taking action and proactively working towards goals.